Hi, my name is Charu Hasani. Today I'm going to speak few words about Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is often referred to as fire dance because most of the movement in Bharatanatyam resembles to dancing flame. Bharatanatyam is made up of two words which is Bharata and Natyam. A Brahmin priest, Bharata Muni, he wrote Natya Shastra. From his name, Bharata came, and Natyam is a Tamil word which means dance. And it is also known as Bhava, Raga, and Thal. Bhava, Raga, Thal is combined and made as Bharat. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest dance forms. One of the dancer named Sadhir, Devadasis or temple dances of Tamil Nadu used to perform it as a solo dance. Sadhir Dashiatam. It is also known as Bharatanatyam was originated by Sadhir itself. After the British rule came into India, Devadasis were not so well treated, so according to our constitution, Article 23, Devadasis system was banned. Almost Bharatanatyam was extinct. By the time by E. Krishna Iyer, because of his efforts, Bharatanatyam revived. Tanjavur teachers, who is also known as Tanjavur brothers, Chinnaya, Ponnaya, Vadivel, Shivanandam, defined seven elements of Bharatanatyam ritual: Alaripu, Jatiswaram, Shabdam, Varnam, Padam, Javali, Tilana. Before we start dancing, we recite a shloka, which is Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavagmayam Aharyam Chandra Taradi Tam Nama Satvikam Shiva. It means we bow to Lord Shiva, who is the Supreme One, whose limbs are movement of the world's activity, whose song and poetry are essence of all languages, whose ornaments are the moon and star. There are three main aspects of Bharatanatyam which are Nritta, Nritya, Natya. Nritta, rhythmic element, interrupts the language of rhythm with the help of body movements. And Nritya, combination of rhythm with expression, conveys the poetic meaning with the help of expression, rhythmic gains, and postures. And Natya, dramatic element performing for the theme like Ramayana and Mahabharatam. Thank you.
So first, let us know what is Kuchipudi and how it was born. So this is a short story. Once in a small village in Andhra Pradesh known as Kuchipudi, there was a dance drama performed, and this was performed by a small group of Brahmin boys. This eventually grew all over India and Andhra Pradesh and was a famous dance form. Let's now know more about Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi was found in 17th century, and as I told you in the last slide, Kuchipudi eventually grew and became famous all over India and Andhra Pradesh. And this is because of Siddhendra Yogi's Bhamakalapam, a tale of Satyabhama, beautiful but a jealous queen of Lord Krishna. Did you know Lord Krishna is also considered as the god of Kuchipudi? Let's now know the features of Kuchipudi. A distinct feature of Kuchipudi is Tarangam. In Tarangam, the dancer balances a pot of water on the head, lamps on the hand, and dances on a brass plate. Shabdams are very popular in Kuchipudi. Bhamakalapam and Prahalada Charitam are the two most challenging choices of Kuchipudi. Some very important and famous dancers: Halim Khan, Tara Kalyan, Pratiksha Kashi, Vaijayanti Kashi, Chintaravi Balakrishnan, Yamini Krishnamurthy, Arunima Kumar, and Maithili. I hope you enjoyed it. Before ending my presentation, I would like to thank my teacher Srimati Ranjini Umesh for giving me this beautiful opportunity. Once again, thank you one and all.
Namaste, I am Lavanya and I am here to speak about classical dance form Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is one of the ancient classical dance form originated from Kerala. It gets its name from the word Mohini, which means the avatar of Lord Vishnu in feminine character. This was done to deceive all the asuras and make sure that the good wins over the evil. Mohiniyattam, like all classical Indian dances, are in the Natya Shastra, the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text on performance arts. However, it follows the Lasya style described in Natya Shastra, the dance which is delicate, rose-filled and feminine. It is traditionally a solo dance performed by women after extensive training. It also includes music in the Carnatic style, singing and acting a play through the dance, where the recitation may be either a separate vocalist or the dancer herself. Mohiniyattam is a Lasya style of dance performed in the Kaishiki Vritti as discussed in the Natya Shastra. More specifically, it is a dance that excels in Ekharya Abhinaya form, that is solo expressive dance performed aided by singing and music. The basic dance unit in Mohiniyattam are known as Atavus, and these are grouped into four: Taganam, Jaganam, Daganam and Samisam. The hand and facial gestures of the dance follow the classical text of Hasta Lakshana Deepa. The costume includes plain white or off-white such as ivory or cream-colored sari, embroidered with bright golden or gold lace-colored brocade. At the waist is a golden belt which tucks in the end of the sari and highlights the waist. Jewelry typically includes items on fingers, wrists, necks and ear. The face makeup is natural but lips are brilliant red. She has the Hindu tikka on her forehead and her eyes are lined to help prominently highlight the eye movements during the dance. Her ankles are adorned with leather strap with bells. Feet and fingers are colored red with natural dyes. Her hairdo is gathered and tied into a smooth tight bun on one side of her head, and the bun is then ringed with fragrant flowers, typically jasmine. The vocals of Mohiniyattam involves various rhythms. There are numerous compositions for Mohiniyattam, most of whose lyrics are in Mani Pravalam, a mixture of Sanskrit, Tamil and Malayalam. The musical instruments usually used in Mohiniyattam are mridangam, idakka, hourglass drum, flute, veena, cymbals. It was my immense pleasure in extending my knowledge. I would like to thank my guru Srimati Sri Ranjini Umesh for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Lekana NP. Today I am going to tell about my favorite Indian classical dance, that is Kathakali. Kathakali is a traditional dance originated from the state of Kerala between the 16th and 17th century. Katha means story, Kali means to play. Kathakali is attributed to sage Bharata. Kathakali is a major form of classical Indian dance. In Kathakali, much use is made of the eyes, eyebrows and lips to portray various moods of the characters. The stories are told by three groups of performers, actors who do not speak, the percussionist and vocalist. Shows are usually conducted at night and ends in the early morning. Traditionally, the actors were all males, but that have evolved so that both men and women can perform the Kathakali dance. The three main components of Kathakali dance are instrument, striking colors and vocalist. During Kathakali, the mudras function as a sort of sign language since they don't speak. Actors use facial expression to show the internal state of their characters, and this is known as bhava. Kathakali dance form has five major vesha: pacha green, gentle and noble character; khati means knife, villainous male character; dhadi means beard, Hanuman character; kari means black, cruel character; minuku radiant, woman or sage character. Finally, Kathakali, which represents the visual heart of Kerala, has now developed to be qualified as universal art. The main reason for this is its attractiveness gained by the perfect blending of numerous various of fine arts. Thank you.